What's up, boss lady crew? I'm back with another video. Now I'm bringing y'all a tutorial on how I did this lace front. This is 613. So first I'm just starting off with the spray. So I can lay her edges down, and then I'm gonna put the stocking cap on there. So I'm just, putting the spray, flatten it out, blow drying it. Then I'm putting the stocking cap. Girl, her head was big as fuck. So I had to stretch this stocking cap on her head. Girl, she was giving me a hard time. This is my little sister, y'all. So she always get her bust down 613s or a side part with it. And she love her little wig. And the wig is from Amazon. So if you want to know, it's from Amazon. And y'all, I'm just cutting the holes out by her ears so I can glue the stocking cap down so it can be seamlessly. And there won't be you won't see nothing. So now, but I'm using the best glue in the city. Yes, that lace glue is my lace glue. So go get y'all some. I'm just taking my makeup and I'm doing the back of her wig with it because the makeup was on the back of my hand. So I'm just covering the whole lace front with the makeup. Yes, I do this with my 613 wigs, and y'all should too. Baby, I'm a little rough around the edges, baby, when it comes to doing this hair, but you're going to be slayed when you leave. And then I'm taking that same color that was on the back of my hand that I put on her wig, and I'm putting it on the stocking cap. Baby, and now we about to cut the stocking cap so she can be looking bold, y'all. We prepping this. We get this done. Now, look, we trying to get the wig on. Her head she got a big ass head. Like, I had to pluck some of that out because it looked real thick in the front. And people be like, you shouldn't pluck a 613, baby. It was too thick for me, baby. It was giving bulletproof. I couldn't. So now I'm taking the best glue in the city, and I'm gonna apply 6 layers, baby. The only reason why you can apply 4 or 5, baby, it's like Gorilla Glue in a can. So I'm trying to tell you that glue ain't no joke. Like, baby, you gonna need that lace glue remover to take it off because it was so good, and it's waterproof. So go get y'all some on that website at that www.bossladysmall.com. Now I'm just taking this wig and we gonna stick our wig on. What's up, baby? Y'all gonna hear my daughter in the background. Y'all always gonna hear Ari in the background when I'm doing my voiceovers. So don't mind her or whatever. She just be, mommy. She picking out her beads right now for her hair. So right now I'm telling her to hold her lace front, so that way I could hold the other end so it won't move or whatever, go nowhere. Baby, we trying to get it down. And then on top of that, like I said, the wig is small. Like, when y'all order them wigs, y'all gotta off Amazon. Make sure y'all please look at the reviews. Cause some of them wigs be kinda iffy. They be kinda iffy. Some of them be good, some of them, you pay what you get for. You get what you pay for, So now I'm just taking my hot comb. Ooh, baby, I love me a good hot comb, baby. I'm telling you, I don't play. When it cut to that hot comb, I don't play. And I'm gonna take my melt band, baby, that boss lady melt band, and I'm gonna tie it up, baby, and we gonna make this lace disappear. We gonna make this lace disappear. So I'm gonna let that sit, and while I do the part down the middle for her bust down, baby. So like I said, y'all, all you do is just take your time when you're doing these wigs, and keep watching a couple of videos. You'll get it eventually. Practice on them cousins, practice on them friends. Y'all will get it. It's gonna become natural. It's gonna be, once you start doing it so good, you'll be like, I used to put too much thought into some shit. Now I got it. It's so easy. All it is getting you a milk band, to get you some good glue, and finding you a good hot comb, baby, and some good spray. You all right. You all in there. And some makeup to blend it real good. That's all it is. Don't put too much thought into it, and you'll be good. You'll be good. You'll be well on your way. But I keeps that band on there for a while because, baby, look at that. Look at that. And I ain't even cut the lace off yet. You can tell, woo, that install about to be fire. Fire, 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 fire. Yeah, y'all. So I'm just cutting it. I ain't had no razor So I had to use my scissors, and it still came out fire. People be like, "It's gonna look wiggy." No, you just gotta. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. Baby, she was excited already. She was taking pictures and stuff. She always be doing things like that when I'm doing her hair. In the midst of me, she'll give me like when I'm not even aware of her doing. Cause I be into my craft. So yeah, y'all, it was fire. Look at that. Y'all can see it on the side, baby. Look at her. She was taking pictures. She was thirsty. Look at her. She was thirsty. Baby, that lace disappeared. It looked so good. I'm trying to tell y'all. It looked so good. Now she wants sideburns, girl, because she is so dramatic when it comes to these sideburns. She be stressing me out about these sideburns because, baby, she be wanting adult hair. And we ain't talking about baby. We over the baby, baby. She be wanting adult. She like, give me two in the front right there. You see her pointing at it. Like, child, she be stressing me out about this hair. Them baby hairs. And I'm talking about she like it dramatic. And to the point she be just watching me like, smile. Put enough, you ain't putting enough in there. I be like, child, listen. Cause I think I be doing my thing, but she be wanting extra. She thinks she chilly little sister. I ain't got time for her. So, I just give her the little baby hairs. I just do what I can, and then I just send her on her way. She can do her own baby hairs for real, for real. Cause baby, she love them. She do hair as well, but she don't. She. Okay, baby. So, like I was saying, y'all, I'm just straightening it out. Make sure everything flat before to put the band and the spray back on. So now I'm just spraying that spray on, y'all. That's my Trust and Make spray I used when I about to put the lace back on. So that lace gonna be like extra blended. Like it's already blended, but it's gonna give it that. It's gonna give skin like. So she ducking it at me from the spray. And then I'm gonna put my melt band back on. Baby, if you ain't got that melt band or that glue, I'm trying to tell y'all gonna be missing out on us. Y'all missing out. Y'all playing. You playing. Y'all playing. And then, like, I'm trying to get her weave as flat as possible, y'all. Like, in between, I spray a little heat and spray a little hold and spray. And then I just take my flat irons, go through with the comb, get that hair straight. And we want to get it straight in. You hear me? Then I'm going to take my hot comb. I went in between the hair. Because, like I said, I wanted to be, I wanted to be flat. And then I'm doing her baby hairs as well. Like, it's people out here be like, I don't be liking baby hairs on the 613. To each his own, baby. Everybody got their own preference. Don't mind my elbows, y'all. Y'all know I do my best work when my elbows ashy. But anywho, like I said, y'all, that 613 ate the fuck down. You hear me? It ate down, So I'm getting it as flat as possible, especially them braids. She came to me with the bulletproof braids, so I'm trying to get her hair as flat as possible. So we good. Y'all know me. I'm gonna do my 1-2. I do my magic over here. So we gonna do what it do. I'm just like you said. I'm just flat, y'all. As y'all see me, I'm just flat iron. Taking my hot comb, with her. Damn, I'm sleepy. I'm always yarning every time. If my elbows ashy, if I'm yarning, that's what happened. I be on here yarning and shit when I'm doing my voiceovers. So, like I said, yo, I'm just taking it. This hot combing her baby hairs. Like, I ain't really do her baby hairs for real. I just did them enough so she can go home and do them herself. Because, like I said, yo, she be stressing me out about them baby hairs. She be wanting to do her own baby hairs. Like I said, she do hair or whatever. And she one of them hairstylists. Baby, she do them dramatic baby hairs. See me? No, give me a little bit. So that way, if I'm tired of them, I can slick them back in the braid. You hear me? Or enough so I can do it myself. I don't care if I do hair. Shit, I be wanna. Anybody got time for that? But yeah, like I said, this lace wig was laid, baby. It was laid and slayed. I did my one too. And now I'm just taking my little pencil flat irons, and then I'm just curl the hair. So like I said, we're not doing the baby hairs. I'm gonna do that one over because that one ain't come out the way I wanted to. But y'all gonna see me do it all over. I wish I would have got up and close and personal on this lace to show y'all what that lace looking for, what it's hit for, man. Oh my God, it's hit all the way hit. I love a good lace, slade lace. Don't mind my belly in this video, y'all. Big belly. Don't mind that belly in this video. So I'm trying to lay her baby hairs down with some spritz. Girl, because she like, I want soft baby hairs. I don't want the wet looking ones. I'm like, okay, cool, that's fine. And I'm just using a little bit of spritz. I sprayed it on the back of my hand. So, and then I ain't even use no dryer. I'm going to just let her do her own baby hairs for real, for real. Because like I said, she want her hairs a certain way. And I'm going to let her do her. But like I said, this motherfucker, look how, oh my God, y'all, look how laid it look. Only if y'all was up close.
Okay, girl. Turn around. Step up a little bit.
And
walk back. Yeah, now turn. Turn. Okay.
Keep turning.
No lace.
Keep turning.
Go ahead.
Hot out here.
Okay.